patients wants to know about dental implant. What is a dental implant? How does it work? What are the conditions when you can offer dental implant? Well, hi, I'm Dr. Sonam Kalsi, MDS prosthodontist, and I'm here to discuss about dental implant and the condition when you can offer dental implant. Dental implants have nowadays become a very common way of replacing the missing teeth. Many patients desire for it and therefore want to know more about it. So what is a dental implant? In simple terms, I can explain that dental implant is a screw-like structure which is fitted within the bone. The question arises that a screw and we are fitting within the bone, will it cause any damage? The answer is no, because it is made up of special metal called titanium, which is a very friendly material. So what are the parts of dental implant? There are three parts of the dental implant. Firstly, we have is the implant body, which is fitted within the bone. Then we have the abutment, and finally we have the crown. So what are the conditions when you can offer dental implant? Dental implants can be indicated for replacing a single missing tooth to multiple missing teeth. So if a single tooth is missing in your oral cavity, whether it is missing in the interior or the posterior region, it can be replaced using the dental implant without disturbing your natural teeth. Dental implants can also be indicated to replace the multiple missing teeth. But remember, in such cases, the number of implants will increase so as to gain more support for the prosthesis. Similarly, in case of edentulous patient, a patient who is left with no teeth, or a patient who is a denture wearer and is not satisfied with denture, in such conditions also dental implants can be indicated. So now the question is that you know what are the conditions when you can offer dental implant. So it means that each and every patient is a good candidate? Well, the answer is no. Because before considering for dental implant, you need to fulfill certain criteria. Yes. When you will visit your dentist will evaluate these parameters. For example, your gum need to be healthy, tooth should be free from caries, your bone should be strong enough, there should be adequate amount of bone width and the height. Moreover, if there is any medical condition that need to be evaluated. So before considering for the dental implant procedure, all these factors need to be evaluated. And if you fulfill this criteria, you can go for dental implant. As dental implant is a very successful treatment, it will provide you with the ability to chew food very well. At the same time, it will provide you with a natural appearance. Thank you.